Welcome, in front of me is a REALME Q2, and today I'll show you how to enable and set up the portable hotspot. And to get started, simply open up the notification panel and find a toggle, which for me it's on the second page right over here. And once you find it, you want to hold it. This will take you to the settings, so from here tap on personal hotspot settings, and we're going to start off with a password. By default, it's going to be some kind of randomly generated password every time you go to the setup of the device. So that's after the factory reset of the device. But you can go in here and just simply remove the generated password and set your own. Now, as you already seen, mine was set to a custom one. Fairly simple. It only needs to have 8 characters in length, and that's about it. Now, also below that, we have the AP band. So we have the 2.4 and 5 gigahertz. Now I would strongly suggest that you go with 5 and see if your device, whatever device you will be trying to connect to the hotspot with, supports 5 gigahertz. With this option, you will have a faster and more stable connection, while the 2.4 will be used by a wider array of devices. So if your device doesn't see the hotspot that you have created, which in this case in your Wi-Fi list you should be looking for Realme 7 as it is right here. If you don't see that, that means that your device just doesn't support 5 gigahertz AP band, and in this case simply go back and drop it to 2.4 and everything will work fine from there. And as I also touched upon, you have the name, so this is going to be the Wi-Fi name in the list. Now you can keep it as it is or change it if you want to. It's completely up to you. And once you have changed a bunch of things, make sure you save it. So simply tap on save, and from here you can just leave it, and all you need to do is now tap on the toggle to turn it on whenever you need it. And also, once you're done using it, I suggest that you just toggle it off, otherwise it will be using a little bit more battery. So yeah, but that is how you enable and disable it, set it up. And if you found this very helpful, don't forget to hit like, subscribe, and thanks for watching.